everyone, it's me Payal. Thank you so much for watching me. I make videos related art, craft, DIY and decoration. If you are into it, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And first I just wanted to thank each and everyone who subscribed to my YouTube channel, because now it's 15,000 people connected to me. So thank you so much. So today I would love to share a design team package from a Dress My Craft, and there is also one giveaway. So let's start it. So here I have a DT package from Dress My Craft, and if you want to buy any craft supplies from Dress My Craft, then you can check it out their website. I'm also going to put all the links in the description box. So let's unbox this box because I'm super excited to see all the products. Like I'm still kid in a craft supplies. जो नई चीज़ खोलने का excitement होता है ना, I have a same feeling right now. So the first product I have this thick craft mat. This is a non-stick craft mat, and the best thing is that you can use any art medium on it. And the next thing I have this small cute little paper trimmer and paper scoreboard. If you want to work with a tag envelope, then this mini version of a paper trimmer and a scoreboard is the best for you, and it looks so cute. I just love it. Next thing I have this stripe background dies, and soon I'm going to make a beautiful project using these dies. And then I have this funky alphabet. As you can see, this looks so cute. It goes perfect with your baby theme project. Then I have all these shaker slices. Trust me guys, Dress My Craft has a best shaker slice ever. So the first one is this playing card shaker slice. As you can see, it looks so cute, so tiny. Now Raksha Bandhan is coming soon, so you can use this shaker slice for your Rakhi project because it goes perfect with the main theme project. And the next one is this pink Shakoora pearl mix. As you can see, the quality of this product is amazing and it looks super cute. I can't take it off my eyes from it, and this one is my most favorite shaker slice. And the next one is lemon sprinkle mix. As you can see, there is a small tiny lemon slices and it looks super cute. I just love the color combination of this shaker slice. And the last one is penguin and snowflakes mix, and I just love the color combination of this shaker slice as well. This one is a perfect for your winter or a Christmas theme project, and I just love it. Like I just love all of them. Like they are super cute and super gorgeous. And then I have these hard droplets, and this is an assorted one. And then I have a shrink print frosted sheets. Shrink print is an addiction. If you start working on a shrink print, then you can't stop yourself. And that's why I order it one more time. And the next one is a chopping birds 12 by 12 inch paper pad, and this is a part of me collection. I just love this paper pad just because of the color combination, because it has a beautiful color combination. It has a purple, it has a pink, it has a green, it has a vintage shades, and that's why I just love this paper pad. And the patterns of these papers are so beautiful and so amazing. And the last and the next one is collection kit of Minimo paper pad. This collection kit has 6 by 6 inch paper pad, motif sheets and 12 by 12 inch paper pads. So let me show you 6 by 6 inch paper pad first. I really appreciate a good gesture by Shalini Mittal. There is a small tiny spelling mistake in this paper pad, so that's why she provides letter, and also she provides a one extra sheet. So there is all these extra elements which you can fussy cut and use it in your project. And trust me, this camera cannot justice the real beauty of these papers. They are so beautiful, they are so cute. I can't take it off my eyes from it. And there is a motif sheet, so as you can see, you just have to fussy cut and you can use it as an embellishment in your project. And they have a very large design, so you can easily fussy cut them. And then I have this 12 by 12 each Minimo paper collection, which I love the most. Like this one is my most favorite paper pad till date. So here is one more letter and one more extra sheets, as you can see. So you can use all these extra elements, and I love this paper pad because they have a watercolor background and they have a very good pattern and very good designs, as well as they have all kind of the colors. So you can use it as a you can use it for a girl, you can use it for a boy, so it's a unisex papers. So they look so beautiful. They have all kind of the colors. They have a pink, they have a blue, they have a green, they have a purple. So just look at the beauty of this paper. And trust me, this camera cannot justice the beauty of this paper. They are super cute. And this one is my most favorite papers because they have a dots, they have a watercolor background. And yeah, I hope you like this design team package, and so feel free to find all the links. So I hope you like it. So I'm giving away this Minimo 6x6-inch paper pad. Check the description box for a giveaway details, and I hope you like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.